Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to change key signatures in Musescore 4. In this example, the scores is in C major. Let's play. Okay. So if you want to change the key signatures for all measures, just click and select the measures by clicking Shift, hold Shift and click, right click and click Staff or Part Properties and click. In the bottom line, there is transposition. Just click for Musescore 4. There is a box. So for down is up, up is down. In example, if you want to change major second, if you click up, it will change to B flat major. But if you click down, it will change to D major. Let's see. It's B flat, down, D. Okay. But if you want to change to selected measures, the key signatures for selected measures, just hold Shift and click the measures you want to change the key signatures. Right click and then click Staff and just click major second, apply. Okay, that's it. See you on the next video. Bye.